How to set up Google Ads conversion tracking for Shopify, step by step. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Now, today we're going to be setting up our conversion tracking because it is one of the most important things that you can do before you get started with your campaigns and start spending any of your ad budget. The reason for this is because if you can't track conversions, what you can't measure, you can't manage. And you're not going to have any idea as to your returns on your ad spend and your investment. So here are a couple of ways that you can set up conversion. So firstly, you can set up conversion with Google Analytics. So for this, you're going to head on over to ads.google. And from there, you can use Google Analytics for a purchase event and import that into Google Ads. However, I don't recommend that as a primary conversion for multiple factors that are added is going to be a bit annoying. So that is, one way to do that. However, using the native script within the back of Shopify is going to be better for you. You can configure Google Analytics in Google Ads. And if you go ahead and look in your dashboard on Google Ads, you're going to head on to this area called Gold on the left. Now, once you click on Gold on the left, you will have a summary screen. And you are going to click on Conversion Action on the top right. Now, once you click on Conversion Action, you're going to choose your conversion action for Shopify. So for Shopify, for most people, their conversion action is going to be a purchasing event. So people that are purchasing. Let's say that this is for websites. So I can click on websites over here and we are going to be providing our website domain. So we're going to open up our Shopify store and I'm just going to copy the URL and then I'm going to paste that in here. Then you can click on scan and you can create conversion actions. So in your conversion actions, I want purchasing to be my conversion action. And this is going to be, it's a purchase conversion when a form is submitted, like so. And then I can add the URL. So I want to add to cart to be my conversion action. And the URL for the add to cart, let's say if I go into my catalog here, I don't have any products added for that right now. So I'm just going to set it at 0 and then click on add to cart and you can set up your conversions like this. So this is one really simple way where you can track conversions for Shopify on Google Ads. And once you have completed that, just click on save and continue. Once you click on save and continue, you have two options. You can either set up a Google tag or you can email instructions to your webmaster. Now, you are going to click on set up on your Google tab. And once you do set up, you have to set this Google tag up. So the way that you set this up is you can see this code over here. And you have the option to manually install this into Shopify, which is recommended. So you have to copy and paste it in the code of every page of your website immediately after the head element. Now, this might seem a bit overwhelming, but it's really simple. Just open up your Shopify store. Now, in your Shopify store, you're going to click on Online Store on the left. Once you have clicked on Online Store on the left, click on these three dots where you have your Shopify store, and then click on Edit Code. Now, once you click on Edit Code, you're going to go into theme.liquid, and this is present within the layout folder, but if you can't find it, you can just search for theme.liquid. And then what you're going to do is you're going to press Command F or Control F. Now, once you type in Command F or Control F, this is going to pop up at the bottom, which is a search option. So you're going to search for /head. Now, once you search for /head, you're going to place your cursor behind this line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some space above this /head. Now that you have created space above the /head, you're going to place the code on top from your Google Ads, whatever Google tag you get. And then after your /head, you also want to write it up. And then click on Save on the top right. So just like that, you can install a Google tag. You're going to save that. And this doesn't make any changes to your website. Your Shopify store is going to look exactly the same. And then you can test your Google tag installation. You guys can see that currently it's not detecting the tag, so I'm going to have to redo this. And in case you're worried about ever messing up code, this is another really simple thing that you can do is that you can click on these three dots and create a duplicated version. So you don't have to worry about you ever messing up the code. Now I'm going to search for base.css and then I'm going to type in Command F and I'm going to search for /head. We do have our body code edited already, but again, within the layouts tab, we should have every element set up. I'm going to open up theme.liquid. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to type it in over here as well, my Google tag in the first header section, because within Google, it tells you to place it immediately after the head element. So you're going to place it on theme.liquid and on the first line where it says head, you're going to place it over here as well. Then save your asset from the top right and just refresh your page. Then you can retest your store to check whether or not it has been installed. Currently, it's checking my installation. It might even take a couple of seconds for your Google tag to be installed. You guys can see you can install with a CMS or website builder, or you can use a Google tag that you might already have linked to your store. You guys can see I already have a Google tag that I linked, and I can just click on confirm over here like so. And once you've done that, you will have your conversion set up for your Shopify store with Google. Now, you have other options to track your conversion as well. You can also do something like a different type of connection. So, let's say that the conversion that you're measuring is maybe full purchases, or maybe they're just add to cart. So, you can build different conversions like so as well. And that is how you can track everything from Google Ads to your Shopify store. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.